Hello, highly strungers. How are you coping with this social isolation and corona haircuts? Got the clippers out yesterday, that was scary. Anyway, today we're going to look at chunking, a down, up, up chunking pattern for 4 strong winds. And it should sound something like this. And this is D major. So I'm going to break it down into easy steps and then we'll try and put it together in a loop because it's the same for the whole song. Okay, so starting on D major, it's a down, up, stop. Down, up, stop. And don't take your hand away from the ukulele, it's down, up. And just with the heel of your hand, down, up, stop. 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 So that's the first bit. So it's down, up, stop, up, stop, up, stop. 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 Okay, so when you've got a bit faster, had a practice, a couple of hours at least, it's not an easy, chunking isn't easy, it's about the rhythm. But when you get it, it does add a nice little sort of extra syncopation to your songs. You can do it with most songs. So go away having a practice, and when you come back, we'll be going through the song. Okay, happy practicing? So for the intro, it's a 4, 4 and a 6. So we'll do it a couple of times and just have a practice for the intro. And I'm going to put some drum beats on, just to help us keep the timing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for the rest of the song, what we're going to do is the instrumental. I'm going to spare you my singing, caterwauling. So we'll go through the instrumental because it is the same for the rest of the song and the chorus. So I'll put some beats on, and after a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, You might want to try some finger picking for those that haven't tried it instead of just strumming. It's a very, very simple sort of sequence. I'll play a little what it sounds like and then I'll get it and break it down, come up closer. So it's A major. And that's all it is. So we're looking at thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. And that's all you're going to use. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, thumb 1, G, C, E, A, E, C, G, C, G, C, E, A, E, C, G, C, thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 2, finger 1, thumb, finger. Okay. And that's for the whole song again, like I say. So go in, have a practice and see if you can speed it up. Again, a couple of hours. It's going to be a long video. Okay, so I'm going to do the finger picking, the drum machine in the background. Let's see if we can get through the instrumental again. I won't curse you with my singing. So after a 4.